wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you'll never see if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you want?
Yes, peeps. Morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. So man, all of 577 and another one. And today I'm in St. Anne. Yeah, so I'm traveling the island. My island, box cover. It's red light and still I go forward, see me. Traveling my island. Where you go? St. Anne's Bay, where exactly St. Anne's Bay? Cave Valley. What your valley name? Cave Valley. Cave Valley or Cave Valley?
Cave Valley.
K?
Yeah, Cave Valley. Not Cave Valley, Cave Valley.
Cave Valley?
Yeah.
Oh, Cave Valley. Oh, okay. Today we are heading to Cave Valley. So let's see where that is. So just stick and stay. Yeah. Follow back at me. This is where I go on. And see the St. Anne's Bay, Prairie, Runaway Bay. Okay, I see. Long time in a Kunanga, so. Right to Broadstone now. Okay. Brownstone, St. Anne. It's a Bob Marley come from Nanga, so no? But a St. Anne Bob Marley band. People say Bob Marley come from Trenchtown. And if Bob Marley band, a St. Anne Bob Marley band, and then they got a town go live.
Of course.
Yes, so now St. Bob Marley a countryman and a town man. So a lot of people say a Trenchtown, Bob Marley don't really come from Trenchtown, and they live at Trenchtown. Country he come from, St. Anne. It's like Marcus Garvey. Yeah. Yeah. St. Anne Marcus Garvey. Yo? Yeah man. Eh? Terrify them. Sometimes I just don't remember what them remember and see police up there, so. See police them, hustle them also. Typical Jamaican police, always hustling. Construction I go on so too. How will I make? It's like a plaza still. Oh, look nice. First Regional Credit Union. Okay. Oh, the St. Anne's Bay. The St. Anne's Bay left. So we are going left to St. Anne's Bay. As I say, I haven't been down here in a long time. Last time I saw, I suppose when you in the hospital. Yeah, last time I call her. I Gavi. I call her. Which one? I get old. How me turn now? Left or right? Oh. No, you know down here. I have a GPS today now. Yeah. This is Windsor Road. Okay. Syria, Big C It depends on if you download nothing. Or you diffuse it. It's a smartphone, you just used to use it smartly.
Tell them which part you have.
Yeah.
You keep on telling you you're entering.
I just see map. No, yet I map.
But I just map me
Oh. But if you want, you can talk too. You can set up as a talk. Sometimes you have your show and all that. And you have phone when you search what features, what it tell, what you can do. Oh, there's so. So traffic pan. The Minister of Labour, yes, so. Driver, don't blow, fly over my head. Oh, so it's a 4 Windsor Road, so this is not the Windsor Road, so straight, I'm going now. Straight same way.
Where you have it on?
Eh?
Where you have Windsor Road?
No, I see Windsor Road, that's up. 4 Windsor Road. So I'm there in town?
Oh.
Aisha?
No, sir, you have to come out of town and go drive out, go look for you.
Oh, I think I know town him there.
Oh, I enter Broadstone.
Oh,
Broadstone,
okay. Alright, drive out. Drive boring stuff, don't you, so?
Sometimes be a market.
Sometimes be a market up here, so?
No, up on the phone,
Oh. Bravo Hill up there, so. I guess I continue this way.
National Commercial Bank. Where National Commercial Bank?
Just past National Commercial Bank, they're right behind me.
Yeah, this is come phone.
Yes, peeps, so stick and stay, don't go away. One fire. Beautiful Jamaica. Still on our way to St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne, Jamaica. St. Anne. You know them Saint sitting there come from, you know where they come from? Some British Empire thing. And this is what? It's a Great House Pharmacy. Okay. You have a traffic down here, so do. People up on the road that sell jelly and everything. Big style this.
Device navigator
Long time I don't have a Samsung phone. I remember nothing about Samsung phone. Anything you want to know? When you go home, you go on YouTube and you learn everything. Watch a video there. Just type in what you want.
Last time that first we do conference call on this thing. I said, go hang up Aisha.
Okay.
And then I go back after you hang up and I go conference call with Carla and Aisha saying and I say, Prairie Bridge, a prairie over there.
Prairie.
See fire.
Draxall now open. Draxall are race things there, racing grounds. Yeah. Draxall and you have Vernon Field. Oh, Draxall, St. Anne, Vernon Field, Clarendon. type on the scene the peeps. Over this. So what I say you can ride in donkey there over there so. Some would say horse, but I say donkey. Cause I don't ride horses. I would ride a donkey. Yeah. So those are some donkeys over there. Some would say horses. But I'm a Jamaican, so I'm gonna say donkey. No horse. Oh, horse is a horse over there so.
That's better.
I really not going away. Taxpayer vehicle for drive up and down. It's our Jamaica. Why Puddman there? Yeah, this now sir. Puddman up on the road.
People have all ranking someone to the
yeah, because instead of putting all over the world and pudding go. Because it makes great pudding. Some people take pride in whatever they do in their life. Yeah, they reach far night. That's why you have to love what you do and do what you love and do it to the best of your ability. Yeah. Yeah, so we're still in St. Anne. Yes.
Sometimes we're in firm, sometimes we're in firm.
Whole heap of traffic. So this is Prairie. We are in Prairie. You have Prairie and then you have St. Anne's Bay. Eh? Yeah, no, this is we are in Prairie now.
Prairie.
Yeah, Prairie there now. So this is Prairie peeps. We're in Prairie. Heading to St. Anne's Bay. Oh, that's a Puddman. Okay.
There's one picture there, no?
Yeah. I didn't get this stuff.
You know, look for that, man.
Let's see if it's beautiful Jamaica, the land that we all love. So don't wind up my window.
Watch, we have video.
Yeah, sometime.
Yeah, I didn't say nothing. Most of that are distracted in a young driving.
Yeah.
The only way you can do it, you know, sometimes they have them panic carrier saying, I want to put this on police.
No, I need to do that. I need to turn it all around all the time. So if you can't have it so. And? That's nothing to do with me. Oh. Okay, accident, okay. Accident. That's why they call it accident. Nobody planned for that. Grown over here, so it's a nice though. Seafood, wine bar and grill. What a nice place on the man. Good heap of nice places. So yes please, this is Jamaica, beautiful Jamaica. So you're there yard or abroad? Yeah. Love Jamaica. That is it. Stick and stay. Okay. Plantation smokehouse. Okay. They smoke over there. A lot of smoking over there. country store.
So you get.
Supermarket, deli. Okay. It's like a plaza over here, so. Richmond. It's a Richmond estate. Yes. Richmond estate. Yeah, this is a gated community. Nice. Yes. So we're not past Perry Beach yet. We're not past Perry Beach yet. Yes, peeps. So what if I driving today? Build wealth with us. Own PM Wealth Management. Okay. See inside I make another scheme over here, so. So yes, peeps, we are touring the island. Yesterday we was in St. Catherine, going back to St. Mary. Today we are in St. Anne. Yeah. From one side of the island, that's Jamaica like a bit. Jamaica not so like a bit of people, I am here. Jamaica big. Okay. How long may I drive? How long may I reach it? But this we take almost 1 hour coming here because I left exactly 10 o'clock when I left instead. I know what 2 minutes after. Yeah. I'm in a drive fast. So if I drive fast, I take at least 35 minutes. Yeah, and I take a little fearless overtaker. Driving, when you drive for your living, you drive to your own comfort, you drive at the speed limit, you don't have to drive in a years. When you run taxi, you say you go drive a years to make money. But when you're just driving to reach somewhere and then cross river. Okay. Stick and see on the paper. Yeah, I'm not more interested. It's not going to see. So yes, space is step on the road. After driving so far, we're still not reach it. We're not reach Alexandria. Actually, we know we are going to pass through Alexandria now. And we don't reach Alexandria yet. It's how much? 1 mile? 1 hour? Yeah. Yeah. I'm looking at the sign them people. I see most of the sign them down the side. They say you reach reggae land. 9 mile reggae land and you have a Rasta on the picture. I'm not a Rasta, I'm just from here, but I'm just saying, after years of Jamaican government brutalizing Rasta and Rasta them, they're actually using Rasta to advertise Jamaica. Now, can you imagine that? What a hypocrisy. Imagine that. After all we go on with coral gardens and Rasta them, beat up Rasta them and everything, and them I use Rasta now to advertise tourists, to bring tourists to the country. Imagine that. What a hypocrisy, and I look on Rasta, them bubble head and natty head. What a hypocrisy. Yeah, it's great. Oh, it's a cause of yeah, dirty Rasta, I know. No, me see sign them 9 mile reggae land with Rasta. Can you imagine that? And you never hear none of them politicians come out. I think Bustaman, I did one of them, not Bustamante. Bustamante, one of them, We not go up in the power them time there. Beat up the rasta them and trim them, catch them and trim them and lock them up. Eh? What do what? No, a free speech. We can't say that on camera. Nothing wrong with what I say. Nothing is wrong with what I'm saying. No, I'm going to post it and edit it. Nothing wrong with what I say. We know they used to beat up Rasta. Brutalize Rasta, them wicked. You Rasta ain't talk about Cora Gardens. Yeah. Yeah, when they catch them, beat them. Stuart Town, Brownstone. Brownstone? The Stuart Town, Brownstone. Oh, this is just a square. So if you continue to send me turn, but me turn in so.
Stuart Town, Brownstone. So what they put this sign so far?
That me I say, like I know if you turn. Then spin around.
Drive through Mark, that's all. What the hell that?
That me I say, I don't know what it's for. Lady, come around now.
He must say one gas station there out there.
So you pass the gas station?
They do one.
Okay, now see what Alexandra. This is exit or interest alone. I don't even know. Come this man there come out a little while.
Somebody sitting for that the more place so far.
That me I say?
So no more so you drive from
Alright there so. Up there so.
What's this up?
I don't know.
Check it out, man.
Hold on, I pull over. Let me pull over. We're still on the road same way. The road and a normal road, look a bit unwindy. Yeah. This is way up in St. Anne. Way up in the bushes. There's a Jamaica, a little bit Jamaica, big. Yeah, this is way up in the bushes. Just stick and stay with me, not go nowhere. In a Brownstone Square, peeps. I know I'm gonna reach it after driving for almost 2 hours. We still not reach it. This is not far, but this is 4. With that 4. 2 hours of driving and still not reach it. Imagine. This is the town. Town congested, man. Congested bad. Stick and stay with people, not gonna work. So yes, space, we are still driving and we are in Alexandra, St. Anne. Same way. Just driving for over 2 hours. Yeah. Around 10 o'clock, and now after 12, non-stop. I'm gonna reach it. So, stick and stay. I'm sure I'm gonna reach. Yeah, that is it. People, after driving for 3 hours straight, can be say so long. Left from 10 o'clock and now 1:26, so roughly 1 hour, almost 3.5 hours drive. Reach a cave valley. Yeah. See there? Grapefruit pantry. Yeah. Grapefruit pantry. Long time I didn't grapefruit. Grapefruit are big and juicy. So Jamaica fruitful. Jamaica big people. Jamaica a little bit. When I say Jamaica little bit, Jamaica a little bit. Jamaica big. Cause imagine driving for 3 hours straight, non-stop. You know what I say? For I was driving that whole heap of miles. Whole heap of miles. That for drive. So, stick and stay people, I'm sure now I go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One fire, whole fire. Love what you do, what you love. Do it your best ability.
No try no charger in there.
Try on there.
No, I done buy charger.
Okay.
Snake and leather people. Or snake game. And no care phone, look there. Them phone are vintage. It's a real vintage, you know?
Them phone.
Yeah, them phone are vintage.
Bad too.
Them are vintage. Yeah. Hold on now. But I want to still up and running.
Yeah,
Yeah. Digicel.
Yes, right.
Wanna still up and running, peeps.
I sell them beetroot, eh?
Let's check credit again.
I turn if you sell them. What you say, yes?
Okay, peeps. So we can check credit for this year, man. See? So we can check credit for this.
Okay.
Yeah, bad. Hey, donkey. It's a donkey, peeps. Donkey.
A Jamaican donkey.
Yeah, that's a Jamaican donkey. Donkey eating grass. Alright, donkey. The people are still up on the journey, heading back home into Spanish Town. Yeah, going through several different parishes, going to Clarendon, it's going to Sparling. Yeah. Yeah, no, then a parish because we come through St. Ann. Yeah, go back through Sparling, go Clarendon. You know, yeah. Whole heap of different places I go to. I travel the island to the peeps. So stick and stay with me. Yeah. Stick and stay, not going nowhere. One fire. Whole fire.
Break, you know, lick up.
Canary blow. See the peeps. The road there, road not so bad and the road not so good. I'll take time drive, come you know the road. So you can stay if you're not interested, show you again. See peeps, almost reached Spanish Town now. So they're on the toll. After so much miles today, we almost reached Spanish Town. It's been a very long journey today. Very long journey today. So we're on the toll now. Just stick and stay. Not go nowhere. Take it on the ride. One fire, hold the fire. Love what you do what you love. And do it to the best ability. Don't forget to subscribe! That is it. Yeah. Tell them to subscribe, man. That is it. That's how we do it in Jamaica.
Singing